cool, bro. Guess we go that way.
It's really sunny out there.
Oh shit, it wasn't supposed to turn.
Whoa.
I deadass had to skip the lane just now. I don't like doing that, but I shouldn't have shifted right before the corner. That was that was kind of stupid, bro. That's really impressive for a guy on a bike.
Yeah?
Yeah, dude.
Gauge
People say cars are better at turning, but all you gotta do is do this. Bike, you gotta deadass lean. And he deadass did that shit. outside like painting?
No.
He was just on his porch painting, bro. That's cool.
Aww. That's a wholesome fan.
Awesome, awesome shit for real. So we pull up on-
Hey, yo, hey, I like that shit. Let me get that shit over. $5.
Alright, be like, alright. I respect the craftsmanship.
I wonder what these people that live here, what they be doing.
I wonder where the fuck they go to school and stuff like that. How far are the schools?
I don't know. They go right here, Sunday school.
That's kind of cool. Oh, God.
Oh! Shite. I forgot.
I did not expect to see a damn school.
Shite.
We're just talking about school, too.
It is Friday.
We were the time of school too, good.
Oh, some scary
That was
shit.
not the car I expected to see. Like, I just was about to be like, yo, where the fuck the bike at? Like, I guess he started whipping it again.
Yeah. Hey, losing that camera.
Be careful with these crossroads. Yep, there's a car right there. It wasn't at the end, but it was like coming down.
Spooky. It is spooky season.
This is so nice and peaceful. I kind of like that there's nobody else.
Yeah. Whoa!
Right? It falls themselves like,
Drastically.
yeah. Yeah, you see what's going on? Okay, hold on. Now my camera hit my foot. Let me grab it real quick.
Oh!
Yeah. I had to brake pretty hard right there.
Because of the camera?
Huh? I had to brake because of the turn. Like, I like the uphill, right? Because I'm
Oh.
able to like, you know,
Yeah.
not really like rely on my brakes. But
Uh-huh.
going down the hill, like if you don't brake, you're fucked. So I had to brake hard just now, and then I broke so hard that the camera slipped.
Not good.
Here's a car. Let's take our time right here. weather's getting hot again, so I'm gonna just keep it chill.